Come on, let's go. We're going on a real aircraft carrier. Look at all those big planes. They're actually on the ship. I can't wait to explore. Hey guys, this is Gio. Today we're going on the USS Yorktown on an aircraft carrier. We're in the city of South Carolina. Is it just me or does anyone else smell that? We do the Pledge of Allegiance at school too. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. I'm getting blown by the wind right now. Which direction? Oh, over here. This is my favorite part so far. I love it. Go through. So we're going to be exploring the right side. Looks pretty cool so far.
What is an aircraft carrier?
Well, it's a thing back in the war, the boat war, and that's when they attacked other ships and planes, and the planes got sent to the bottom of the ocean. The fact.
Whoa, you fit in there?
Yeah.
Is it just for one person?
Yep.
Are there buttons?
Yep.
Man, that is cool. Whoa, that looks real.
Because it is.
It's called a F9F Cougar.
This is the joystick for it.
Do you think you'll fly a plane one day?
Well, I'm not that sure if I will. Maybe like a tower person. That is a replica of the ship that we're on. Yeah.
It's a big ship.
Yep. It's bigger than me sideways. Look.
It sure is.
Way taller. But if it was put down here, I would be taller than it. I can be taller than it.
Wow.
Just jump.
Now, this is weird. What's up with these? How does it fly like that? That's
Oh, well,
nuts.
the wings can go like this and it can do like...
Why do they move?
Save like space or something. Scuba.
Can we go in there?
Yep.
You want to check it out?
You want to go up the stairs again? Remember that one time when the escalator didn't work and we had to go down it? That was just like a funny time, honestly.
That was. I didn't expect to find any escalator on a ship.
Oh, well,
Oh my gosh.
we have another.
Oh my gosh, and it doesn't work again.
It doesn't work again. This is the second. I was literally talking about that. Bro, it's so funny. Like, how did that happen? I was literally talking about it, and it happened again. Bro. It stopped in the weirdest position up here.
I wonder the last time it was used.
Probably in like 19 something. Oh, you can check there, but I want to check up there.
Okay. Wow.
So, should we go up or down? Let's go up. Oh, it's the radar room.
Wow.
Dad, you might need to duck your head. Dad. You might need to duck your head, Dad. When you get up here. Because there is a light. And there's a light that will probably hit your head.
Okay.
So let's
Oh my
go.
God. It's not if you're claustrophobic, let me tell you.
If you're are you claustrophobic?
I didn't think I was.
I'm not claustrophobic. I don't have claustrophobia.
Holy God.
So, Mom, do you officially say that, yeah, you're claustrophobic?
Maybe.
Well, I'm not, because I've done things in really tight spaces.
Like what?
Like going under a bench, the one bed, the first hotel in Spain.
Yeah, you did go under that bed.
That was super claustrophobic.
What is a radar room?
Oh, a radar is where they like send signals to other ships and stuff.
It looks like there's a bunch of things up here.
Well, let's give it. This is the map. Yeah, a map. It's a big map. One of the biggest maps I've ever seen. And it goes all the way.
Charleston Bay. It says Charleston.
Yeah. Let's go over there. Like, we've seen like 1,000 of these.
Why is it like that?
I don't know. Oh, this is where they drive the ship.
Wow. We've never seen one of these.
Yeah. Look at this chair.
Wow. This is great.
Pretty big.
Look at that view.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You gonna sit in the chair, Gio? Are you left?
Sunglasses.
Wow, look at that view. So this is where the captain would sit?
Yep. That is where this is where the captain would
Wow.
sit. And the other one. We got this. No, not button. This is cool. So that shows how fast it's going. This is pretty cool. It's fun. I like it. But I like this thing. It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna check over here.
Okay. Wow, we never saw the front of a ship. Are we going outside?
I'm not that sure. I'm gonna get my sunglasses.
I know, I told you we're going backwards. But we have not been up here.
Well, Mom, you're not gonna be claustrophobic right here, but when you're there, you might be a little bit.
Okay. All right, maybe I'd rather be on the cruise boat right there. Look at that, Norwegian.
Whoa. That's where they actually drive the ship. Down there is just the communication.
Okay. This is life as a boy mom. I'm on some random ship, warship, in the middle of the ocean. Her hair's a mess.
Let's go over here.
Whew.
I want to go this direction.
Excuse me, partner.
Watch your step.
They had a lot of people driving this.
Yep, there are a lot of people in here. A couple thousand probably in here.
Yeah.
Just not in this hallway, like around the ship. The ship.
Wow. Careful. Whoa, what room is this?
That's the sound of the water.
The captain's cabin was back here?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
The door handle's broken.
Let's see. Little tiny room.
Yeah, the door handle's very broken. Papa, his
What a
door
lucky
handle's
man.
broken.
Careful. Woo!
You look at the big wheel.
I did. Already saw it.
That's a wheel?
Yep. This is where they drive the
I
ship.
feel like they had a lot of backseat drivers here.
Mhm.
Where are we now?
We're in another room.
All right. Looks like they had some files back here.
Oh, I think it synced.
The sink?
No, I think
It was some unsuspected isle in the far seas.
that's no, airplane hit
Oh.
a different ship.
Oh.
Or either they crashed the airplane and
Okay.
or it hit the ship. Well, we're going up.
Again.
Yeah, this is the 7 billionth time. Oh, we can't go up,
Oh, too bad.
but that's okay. Let's just go back over
You go down.
there. No. I want to go back over here. Oh. Cool. I'm gonna get the red one now.
It says this is the radar scope. Gio.
Yep. Another radar thing. Wait. Never mind, I can't. I won't. Well, that window it can open. I don't mind, but
Should we go
let's-
see the aircrafts?
No, because there's a different side that we didn't see yet.
Oh, okay.
There's a different part that we didn't see yet. Over there.
All right.
You can see some of the planes more closely and the Blue Angels, I think.
There's a Blue Angel?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's go over here. Pretty cool, though.
Very cool.
Look at the cruise ship now.
Yeah.
I can see more of the cruise ship. There's a lot of boats over here that we know. So, let's go over here.
Okay.
Sorry if the wind's a little blowy, but that's okay, I think.
Yep. Oof. Windy day at sea. You want me to hold your hat?
Yep. By the way, my hair was a little sweaty, so this is perfect. My hair was hot.
He said my hair was a little sweaty, so this is perfect.
We get another view. We get another view. Another view. And another boat. Right there. Jeez, it's windy today.
Look at that hair.
Oh, your hair. Your hair. Your hair.
Both of our hairs are nuts.
Yeah, Dad's. Show yours. Show yours. Show yours. Yours is the craziest.
Mine?
Yeah.
Not a good hair day for me.
Follow me. You go down random stairs.
we're all the way up there.
Wow, we're all the way up there.
We're on this
Whoa.
way on the side.
Yeah.
We can't.
Wow. What is this?
Cafeteria.
Ooh, what are they serving?
Well, they're serving pie. They're serving pineapples. They're serving ice. They're serving cookies and some donuts. They're serving bread. They're serving yummy food. There's steak back there. That's meat, actually.
I bet they didn't have
There are
a ton of
different
that.
types of meat. Let's go for the 4-3 grams of
We're going into the officers' staterooms. Ooh, look. This is where they slept?
Oh, there's a Coca-Cola glass.
Oh.
There's a glass.
There really is. Wow, these are small rooms.
Yep, because it's in a big boat from 19 or 18. No pizza. No pizza. We got small steps, guys.
All right. Is this the secret to go down this way? Backwards?
Yeah, it's the easiest way. By the way, watch your step.
Thank you. Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Watch your step, Dada.
Watch it. Hey, watch it. Yeah, not good. Guys, we gotta go down here. I'm gonna go down first.
All right, these were the jails.
Mm-hmm. They're very uncomfortable.
Very small. 3 people in one jail. All right.
And I hope they weren't claustrophobic. They would have been scared. Screaming all night. Don't hate it. Guess what? So another fact is that this bench is at my school. My school has this bench. I'm joking. It has this exact bench.
Where?
Like around the school.
Oh,
It has this
Wow.
exact bench.
so you know what it was like
Yeah.
to sit on that bench.
Yeah. Kind of not that comfortable, but kind of comfortable. Mostly not, though.
Man, they were going up and down all day.
Imagine having to run through this in an emergency.
Oof.
Well, they must have really liked a certain drink.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Your favorite food?
Ice cream.
I thought you were going to say the...
What?
I thought that was an egg sandwich.
No, it's not. It's a burger. It's like my 5th favorite food. My number 1 favorite, ice cream. Ice cream just keeps on winning. Well, we gotta go up more stairs. Thanks for the tour with me. Bye.